guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming my most requested video ever, and that is my night routine. I know that I said in my morning routine that I made back in the summer, which by the way has over 3 million views. And I am so stunned. I never would have thought. I am blown. Thank you. Wow. Anyway, so I said in that video that if you wanted to see a night routine, I would gladly do it. And I know it's been quite a while since I posted that video. Honestly, the reason I haven't made this one yet is because I really just didn't feel like it until now. And I don't want to make a video that I don't really want to make. Does that make sense? So today I'm sitting down, talking you through my night routine and also answering a couple of frequently asked questions I got on my morning routine, like, was it a lie? No. So let's hop right into my night routine for a productive morning. I completely 100% believe that a good morning starts off with a good night routine. And I think routines are so important. Truly, when you follow a good morning routine and night routine, you feel so good because your body's recognizing, okay, it's time to go to sleep now, or okay, it's time to wake up and get energized and moving for the day. So over the past year or so, I've kind of developed this night routine of things that I do every single night before I fall asleep. And basically all we're going to be talking about today is just the things that I do to relax and unwind at the end of the day. I'm not showing you like me eating dinner or anything because I usually just eat dinner with my family and then spend time with them or do whatever, and then I start with my night routine. So typically for waking up at 5 a.m. I try to go to bed around 9, and I'm going to be completely transparent with you. I have not been waking up at 5 a.m. lately. I don't really feel the need to explain myself. Routines change, life changes. I try my best to just listen to my body and what it needs, and so lately I've just been trying to go to sleep at 10 p.m. and then I naturally wake up at 6 or 6:30. But don't worry, my morning routine is still the same. I still do the same exact things every day. It's just an hour or so later. But does that mean that I lied and I never really woke up at 5 a.m.? No, I totally did it for months and months and I loved it. But like I said, things just changed, so now things are just a little shifted. Anyway, back to the night routine. So the first thing I do at night is some relaxing yoga or any type of calming workout, I guess. I usually just get on YouTube and type in 10 minutes, what do I type in? 10 minutes relaxing yoga, I think. And I kind of have my favorites now that I just rotate through. I'll link the ones that I love down below for you. Sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll try something new, but I usually just stick to my yoga. It really relaxes me. There's literally yoga that you can do in your bed. If that doesn't sound like heaven, I don't know what does. So after I've done that, I head into the bathroom and start to take my makeup off. I brush my teeth. What else? I wash my face. After that, I grab my planner and I start just dump planning is what I call it. I don't know if that's really a thing. I usually just write down the things that I need to do the next day and get anything off of my mind that would be like stressing me out, if that makes sense. I just really like to have a plan in place and knowing what to expect. Once I put my planner away, I move on to tidying up my room and picking out my outfit for the next day. So usually my room isn't that messy. I might have some laundry on the floor from when I changed in my pajamas or just anything out from whatever I was doing throughout the day. So I'll just pick that up, do a quick sweep of the room and put everything in its place, and then I spend a minute choosing what to wear the next day. And I love having an outfit laid out because it kind of motivates me in a way to get up and get ready knowing that I already taken a step in that direction, I guess. And then it also takes so much time out of my morning routine because raise your hand if you've ever spent like 30 minutes trying on different outfits in the morning and you still can't find anything good to wear. Yeah. So next is journaling. I love writing in my journal at night, and it's actually one of my New Year resolutions to write in my journal more, so I'm trying to stick to that. I've also had several people asking me for new positivity journal recommendations because they've worked through their Live This Day book, which is awesome. That makes me so happy that people liked it. If you haven't already tried that journal out, I will link it down below. You definitely should. It's such a good one. Anyway, I'm going to show you the 4 journals that I'm working through right now. Okay, so I have 2 positivity journals I'm using currently. First one is this 52 list for happiness. I just got this at the start of the year and I love it. I think it's so much fun, and it basically just has like list prompts, I guess, and you write 1 list a week. So like it says, list the things that made you happy as a child, or list the things in your life you're actually able to control, list the experiences that have made you feel you're living life to the fullest. Anyway, I love this one. I've already had so much fun filling it out. And then I also have a daily gratitudes journal, and I fill this one out in the morning. I love doing gratitude type journals in the morning time. You can do it at night though, like there's no rules to any of this stuff. This one also has prompts, simple things I could do to make tomorrow better, and then every other one is what I'm grateful for today. So every other day you're listing what you're grateful for. So I love this one too. By the way, I'll link all of these journals down below, including the Live This Day journal. And if you have any positivity journal recommendations, leave them in the comments below because I love getting new journals and filling them up. And then I also have 2 regular journals. This one is my 1 line a day journal. I just got a brand new one for the new year, which is exciting. So if you've never heard of this, it's basically got every single day through the year with 5 different sections for 5 different years, and then you just write a couple lines every day, and then you have 5 years of memories in one little book, which is awesome. It's so fun to look back at. And then I have my regular journal, which is from Target, and I think it's so pretty. I love it. So this one I'll just write in if I feel like there's something I want to remember from the day that I want to write more than 1 line about. So those are my journals I'm working on right now, and I usually spend 10 or 15 or 20 minutes at night writing, just depending on how much I have to say. And then after that is one of my favorite parts of the night. Y'all already know I love the morning, but there's parts of the night that just make me so happy. So now is the time where I get cozy in my bed, I turn my lamp on, and I read. Oh wait, I wanted to show you guys something. So right when I start to cozy up in bed, I put on my stress relief lotion from Bath & Body Works. I've been using this probably since they first came out with this line of aromatherapy lotions and whatever. And this is really part of my routine. I put this on every single night right before I get in bed. I guess the smell probably registers in my mind as okay, it's time to calm down and go to sleep. So I love that. I'll link it down below. I always link everything down below. If you ever are looking for anything in my videos, check the description box. It's probably there. So I always start off by reading my scriptures. In the morning, I do more of a scripture study with my pen and my journal and whatever, which by the way, I got lots of questions on this journal. I love this. It makes me so happy. I had a lot of people asking me if it was from Hosanna Revival, and it's actually not, but it was 1000% inspired by them. It's a blank sketchbook, and it just has a canvas cover. It was like a completely blank canvas cover. Again, I'll link it down below, and I painted it myself. I love this thing so much. It's like my baby. So anyway, there's that. I usually pull that out in the morning, but at night I just do a straight read through of my scriptures, and then after that I move on to reading whatever book I'm reading at the moment, which right now is this one. It's Finding Peace, Happiness, and Joy by Richard G. Scott. It's really good. It's just about like finding happiness and joy in life, which is really great. I spend almost an hour reading at night, and that really gets me in the mode to sleep. And like sometimes I'm like falling asleep while I'm reading, but I'm like, I gotta read more. After I've read till my heart's content, it's time for lights out, and that is when my head hits the pillow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really didn't mean to talk so much about journals in this video, but it kind of turned into a journaling video almost. I guess I feel chatty today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and why don't you comment down below something that you have to do every single night in order to go to sleep. Like for me, I have to take my makeup off every night. I literally have not slept with makeup on since I was probably 12 and only wore mascara. So taking my makeup off is something that I literally have to do or I will not sleep. Let me know what your thing is that you have to do every single night. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!